Hi, my name is Ivan Ray Guanzon Jr., BSIT-2F, major in automotive.
Hi, my name is Carl P. Dimson, beside 2F, Major Automotive.
Hi, my name is Julian De Veronimo, beside ito major in automotive.
Hi, my name is De La Mela, base IT2F, major in automotive. Hello everyone, this is our presentation in English.
Did anyone know what are the importance of water in our daily living?
I think we can live without water.
Why you think so?
It's simply because of the feature of our planet where we live, the planet Earth.
What do you mean?
Even at first look, we see our planet feel surrounded by a lot of bodies of water. Basically, imagine how planets looks like without water. Yes, we can live for how many days without eating any food, but we definitely can't live without drinking water. One, two, three, go.
Now you're getting that close. What is so important for all living things?
So if we don't take care of our water resources, we might lose everything, even our lives.
Now, lots of our water sources destroyed and polluted because of the lack of discipline of the community.
Yeah, that's right. Lots of rivers are full of what wasted that are caused by human, and because of the many fishes died and it cost of income resources of the community. Therefore, poverty is the next in line. Trigo.
Many of us don't like that in the near future our own family will be one of the victims of our carelessness and sensitivity.
All of our thoughts are right. Now, let's make a difference and make a change.